At Kabrita, we care for your baby. We are dedicated to safe and healthy infant nutrition. With over 75 years of experience in development and production, we have created our most advanced award-winning formula. Based on goat milk, with a naturally mild flavour, we provide nourishment to your baby. To guarantee high quality, we control the entire production process according to high standards, applying strict health and safety protocols. To show you how, let us take you to where it all begins, the green meadows of the Netherlands, home of high-quality dairy and home of Kabrita. We only use milk from the Dutch Saanen goats, known for their gentle nature, gentle-tasting milk and high productivity. We work with over 100 local family-run goat farmers who all work according to the Goat Milk Quality System, QualiGoat, a set of strict protocols for hygiene and environment, providing our goats with quality feed and clean water, keeping them happy and healthy. To retain optimal quality after milking, the farmer stores the milk directly in a refrigerated tank. A sample of the milk is tested by an independent lab for a comprehensive list of quality characteristics to ensure the milk meets all regulatory standards. Then, the milk is transported to our factory. At our brand new CO2 emission-free factory in Hair and Veen, we combine expertise with the latest technology. Here, the milk is tested again before it is released for processing. The production process is a closed system, ensuring that contact between the product, air and people is minimized. From here on, we instruct and enforce strict hygiene regulations. First, we turn the milk into a base powder. Each step of this process is highly controlled, monitored and recorded. Samples of the base powder are tested rigorously before the next step, blending the base powder with quality ingredients to a homogeneous mix to ensure each scoop from the tin is the same. The blended formula is packaged in our high care room, a sterile environment with overpressure and vacuum chambers. With our advanced Eagle Vision system and X-ray, we can ensure every single tin of Kabrita is free from faults or imperfections. The final product is inspected and checked once again, both by our own experts and by an independent laboratory. Only after complete approval, the product may leave the warehouse. The Kabrita quality system has over 90 checks, which exceeds both local and international legislation, and we continue to innovate and improve. All our facilities are audited regularly by certifying organizations. We're proud to assure mums and dads worldwide that our product is of high quality, ready to nourish your baby with a mild-tasting formula. All because we care for your baby.